Hello kids. Today I am drawing vegetables on a plate. Try to draw with me. First I am drawing the plate.
Farmer in the dell.
Draw a circle.
And
like vegetables, they are good for our health.
The farmer takes the wife. The farmer takes the wife. Hi ho the dairy-o. The farmer takes the wife.
Now I am drawing the eggplant.
The wife takes the child. The wife
It's
takes
violet
the
in
child.
color.
Hi ho the dairy-o.
Let's draw a
the
tomato.
wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse.
It's so
Hi
yummy.
ho the dairy-o. The
Now I
child
am
takes
drawing
the
a
nurse.
capsicum.
The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi ho the dairy-o. The nurse takes the cow. The cow
This
takes
is a cute
the
frog.
dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi ho the dairy-o. The cow takes the dog.
Finally I am
Takes
drawing
the
a
cat.
spoon.
The dog takes the cat. Hi ho the dairy-o. The dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse.
Yellow.
Hi ho the dairy-o. The cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi ho the dairy-o. The mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi ho the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone. Hi ho the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone.
Violet.